Hi everyone, Prince Megan this side. If you are a business owner struggling with stock mismatch, miss sales, or still juggling Excel sheet to manage inventory, then this video just made for you. We have developed a very powerful yet simple inventory and sales management system that's put you in complete control whether you are running the show as admin or managing day-to-day operations as staff. So let me quickly move to the screen part and show you the demo. This is the login screen. Let me quickly log in here first. Okay, the login has been successful to the admin portal, and the screen which is coming at your glance is the main dashboard, where you get to the total number of products and how many products are running in low in stocks, what is today's sales, and how many pending orders are there. Apart from that, here are the data of your monthly sales. The total top selling products are displayed here. You can bifurcate it using the two options, this month or last month. And here are the three products which are running low and what is their status. How many are there in your stock, what is your reorder value, and what is the current status. If you just click on reorder, the product has been reordered and instantly inventory got updated. Apart from that, here are the products. If I go to products, here you can see total number of products and how many of the quantity is left. Okay, so these are in low stocks. You can edit the products also. That's it. And here are the orders. What are today's orders and tomorrow. Apart from that, here you can use filters about confirmed, saved, and completed, what are purchased, and you can also create new orders manually. But everything here is connected to your e-commerce platform. Everything got updated instantly. And if you are running a warehouse or in-house team and office, then a simple guy can update it using the simple drag and drop options or just clicking button options. It's so simple. What you are getting here is sales history. Okay, so here this is your trend and sales by category. So its total insight has been given to you. The insight shows you update regarding your inventory and sales. These are your transaction ID, when order has been approved, who is your customer, and what are your products, and you can view it also, and payment is completed or pending, everything. And here is total reports, what is your inventory valuation, sales performance, supplier performance, and everything on your glance. It's so simple. Apart from that, we have a staff portal also, and you can assign which staff can handle which category, or which staff can handle which type of features. So let me quickly log in to the staff ID first. So I have to log it out, and here I have to log in to staff ID. Okay, so password of the staff ID was you can see staff has been panel has been logged in. Last thing, this staff can see products to restock, orders to process, and total number of products. And he can notify manager also if any product is running critical or low. If he click on notify manager, a manager got notification on their WhatsApp, even on their mobile phone and their dashboard. So manager can reorder it using calling their suppliers, and admin can click on reorder button when the orders has been arrived. So inventory will get updated automatically. You don't have to process everything manually. Orders to process. And these are orders which has processed. When he click on process, he can choose the next processing. The same similar functionality of products, orders, and sales history for the staff too, and reports also. Even you can restrict staff from seeing any order history, sales history, or report history. If you have not give staff permission to see that, staff portal will not show it.
This is just one of the many custom solutions we are building at Tridev Technologies because we believe businesses should not be stuck with the off-sale tools that don't understand your workflow. If you are serious about scaling smart and want a system tailored for your business, drop us a message or visit tradetechnologies.com. You can also drop a mail to us on contact@tradetechnologies.com. And hi, if you want, if you know anyone in your friend list who runs a business and is facing the same kind of headaches, please share this video for them. You might just help them save hours of manual works and missed revenues. Let's build what your business truly needs together. Thanks for watching this video. Please don't forget to like and subscribe.